Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to set up two-factor authentication on Fiverr. So the first thing you have to do is go to your account and scroll down to settings here. Click on profile picture and then scroll down to settings. It should take you to a page where you can edit your page. Now you would see the first one. This is where you put your name and your email address, and if you want to go offline you can change your online status here, and if you want to deactivate you can actually deactivate it here and choose a reason. Now the best thing to do is to go to your security. You can set a new password if you want. You can do a two-factor. You can make your phone verification, add your security question here, but this is actually where to set your two-factor authentication to help keep your account secure. We'll ask you to submit a code when using a new device to log in. We'll send the code via SMS, email, or Fiverr notification. So you can just activate this, and then you'd once you activate it, you would see this is your they will send you a code via SMS, your email, or your Fiverr notification, and then you can proceed from there. So this is how to actually set up two-factor authentication on your Fiverr accounts. So if this video has been helpful to you guys, let me know in the comment section, and I would see you guys in the next one. Please guys, subscribe.